Yep, what's going on, people? So, one thing I realized is that we don't really talk about the culture much.
Le shooting.
So as I was saying, we don't talk about the culture. Too much. What's good, what's bad, what's popping. You know what I mean? So, if you've been here before, you know who I am, Shoe Chains. You know what I mean? Let me know what's up, man. Holla at me. But if you're new here, what's up? Welcome. Sneaker page, fashion, art, fitness, tech, yada yada yada. Alright. So I'm gonna save the sneakers and the fashion for last, because that's what we all came here to see. But let's start off with this Fortnite situation. So right now, Fortnite's coming out with a Joker Poison Ivy Midas Rex skin. Seems chill. I like that look. I like that look and everything. But the real thing right now is that Fortnite is suing Apple, really the Apple Store, and the Google Play Store, because they took Fortnite off of that app. Of course, it's because of money, and that's going to mess with Fortnite's exposure and availability drastically. That is I don't know what to call that, man. That's just the L right there. Next up, Dsquared announces another collab with OVO. This show's chill. I ain't gonna front. This show chill, yo. Like, I'm liking this. I love embroidered materials. I like stitching on it. I don't like screen printing type things. I mean, it just seems a little cheap to me, but this show's chill, bro. I'm rocking with this, man. I'm liking the way it's looking. Tech topic. So I don't know if you guys know about Rivian. It's up and coming. It's been out for 10 years, but it's just really getting popping. Electric car company. They said it's supposed to rival Tesla, but they got this tough show. Look, this show right here. Backboard tough, bro. I'm liking it. Hey, Rivian, if y'all watching, I mean, what's popping, yo? Let me know. But what they've been doing is they've been kind of sparking the market for real. So they've been kind of pushing people to start looking at electric cars a lot more, which is not a surprise. I mean, come on now. That's where we're going. Fuel and oil, that's kind of just dying out. We all know that. Here, we got Kanye over here showing a little piece, a little sample of his Yeezy Gap designs and just ideas. You don't really see much, honestly, man. Like, you see this little, I don't know, bottle cap game. What's that game? What's that game you put the little chips in? You got to make it line up. Almost like tic-tac-toe. I forgot the name, but you got this over here. I'm like, all right, man, it's just underwhelming, bro. But it's just, okay, a bunch of memes and emojis. I'm putting an L on this one, bro. Next up, we got this Hoods by Air Matrix-inspired museum collection, which immediately sold out. I'm rocking with this. I like it, yo. I like the vibes. Like, first of all, this big old backpack is the size of a human being times 2. I ain't trusting that. It's a duffel body bag, you know what I mean? But I'm rocking with the apparel, yo. It definitely got that Matrix techie vibe. Of course, the black and greens is stable for the Matrix colorway. I'm rocking with it, yo. I'm liking, let me get to it. I'm liking these socks, though. The socks, like, I'm really rocking. I'm not even a sock guy, but I'm rocking with the socks. Antisocial Social Club and Undefeated rev up for Formula One capsule collection. Yo, I'm not a race car driving fan, but that hat's chill. I mean, I said the hat. That helmet is chill. I mean, I wouldn't wear it. What would I do with it? But it's chill. It's chill. I'll give us a W right here. But let me get to this jacket, though. I peeped this jacket earlier. This jacket right here, this hoodie, with the black and white checkered flag and then the pink up top. That bad boy sit pretty. I like that. I like that. This Converse Wholehearted collection. Man, you tell me. All right, this watermelon pack from Adidas right here, it's chill. That's just a W right there. It's chill right here, yo. This is an example of color blocking and color gradients right here. The color blocking with the black in the heel, going down on that heel contour or whatever, with that neon watermelon upper, the neon pink sole, and then the flip on the other one. The color blocking is what makes it stand out. That's a great example of that. And then the black one with the gradient, these shows are chill, bro. I like my color pops. W. Look, I'm just gonna say real quick, it's a W. We all know it. It's a pair of Jordans, but it's a pair of Jordan 11s. I mean, it's one of the best, to me, if not the best, Jordan shoe, Jordan design. And it's classic, bruh. Butters. I mean, it ain't no Tims, but it's some butters. I mean, like the black patent leather, white midsole crisp, the foggy clear white outsole. Yeah, man, it's a dub. Another shattered backboard, AJ1. Colorway's a little different, you know what I mean? It's chill. I'll get a W. Because it ain't no L. Not to me. I'll get a W. I mean, it's chill. Yo, I'm a fan of these space hippie themes, bro. Like, I like the idea with the whole, you know, take trash, turn into souls type thing. That's chill. I mean, but this whole wheat white, the colorway is okay to me, but the other space hippies, man, like they say in Atlanta, fire. W right here. Prada and Adidas collaboration surfaces up, and they use that whole Adidas outsole wrap over the actual sole and midsole. You know what? This is pretty interesting. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This is like it's definitely not an L. I don't know if it's a W yet, but I love the ideas of different collaborations though. So I'm with it. It's a W for me, man. It's pretty interesting. I'll give that. Adidas drops Damian Lillard's shoe down to $61 because he has 61 points. First of all, this boy's a bucket. All right, he's a walking bucket, bro. 61 points, 50 in the other game, 40 something. Like, either they're not playing real D, or he just can't be stopped. I have no idea, but I respect it though. I'll give it a dub for the respect. Now the actual shoe is an L. Like, I'm sorry, it's trash, but like, it's unattractive. The silhouette's horrible. It's not a good looking shoe. But the concept and the player, W's. Bruh, I'm gonna give these. I'm gonna give this a question mark. And the only reason, I'll tell you why in a second, but I'm with the colorway. I'm with this whole wild, almost crayon, Rugrats, pastel aesthetic colorway. I'm liking this, bro. I feel like it's like a mint chocolate chip on some peanut butter and Reese's vibe. Like, I'm with it. I like it. I'm loving the colorways and all that. My only thing about the Fear of Gods is that it just doesn't fit well on my feet. Like, I have long, narrow feet, and they're so wide. If you have a wide foot, you're good. If you have a narrow foot, the Fear of Gods ain't for you. They're wide, and they're kind of clunky. I say clunky. Clunky. Kind of clunky. Man, I'm loving the colorway. I just wish it was more fit or made to fit my foot. It's just, it doesn't fit my foot. So, like I said, I'm gonna give it a question mark. Maybe more of a W if it fits your foot. And last but not least, the 2020 release preview for the Adidas Yeezys. Let's just kind of scroll through it right quick. You know what I mean? See what's popping with it. Okay, we have a basic pair of 350 V2s. I mean, they kind of just, if you squint your eyes at most of them, they all look alike. Let's be real, okay? Kind of rehashing the same thing. Oh, these over here are different. These 700 V2s, as a ref. I like the colorway. It's different. These is chill. Right here, bro. This colorway is Azrael, all black upper with the knit and that gummy clear outsole. Yeah, these are dub right here, W. Man, I really don't like the shape. It's too clunky for me. But if you like clunky shoes, it's a good thing for you. Oh, it's reflective. This was reflective. Okay, I'll give you that a little bit. The Quantum Jones, I don't know. I gotta see them in person. I haven't seen them in person yet. They look a little thick. I gotta see them. Different color Quantum. Okay, I'm rocking with it. More than 380s, a lot of 380s. These slides, I'm with the slides, y'all. I'm with the slides. It's a dub for me. I can't even say this name. What is this? Sefrim? Yeah. I don't know, man. Squint, same colorway. Okay, a little more extreme. I'll take that. Yeche. Yeah, I'm good off the 500, bro. I'm good off those. Yeah, now, Squint. Bring these back. I guess the breads, but they're just a slightly different way. It's chill. All right, these all kind of looking the same. Okay, an on-feet version with the reflective. I get it. They chill. Okay. These Yeezy D Roses. Yeah. I don't get it. I don't get it, but I'm interested in it. I don't get it, but I'm interested in it. What's popping with these, man? Like, are they sandals? I mean, they're clearly not performance shoes, clearly, but they look like mammoth boots. But you know what? I'd rock it. I'd rock it and do it. I'd rock it. I'd flex with it. Yeah. I'm with it. That's a dub. You know what? And that's it for this review for the beginning of August. Expect more on the way, more reviews, just kind of going through these topics. If you have any things you want me to review as well, comment down below. Send it to me on IG, message me, email me. You know what I mean? Let's put these into play. But again, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what's popping. Rap to me. And till the next time, later.